Welcome to week 27, guys. It's the last week before spring break. It's a short week. We have no school on Friday, which means that you need to get your work done and in by Thursday night. Thursday night, it is a short week, so please know that. So what we're going to be working on this week is inserting hyperlinks. And it's not much different between the online version and the web version. The online version and the downloaded version. So I'm going to just do one video and just show you the couple similarities that are there. So what you need to do is you need to go to your SSO, go to Office 365, and then open up your PowerPoint if you have the downloaded version. I just need you to have PowerPoint opened. I have PowerPoint opened. We're going to go to PowerPoint. We're going to go to New Blank Presentation. And what we're going to do is very simple. We're going to insert a table. We're going to change the background colors of the table. We're going to put in 4 words, and we are going to put links to those words. And the 4 words are the seasons. So for right now, I'm going to delete my 2 boxes. I'm going to go up to Insert, Table, and I want it to be 2 by 2, and I'm going to make it bigger. Now, I don't know if yours will come up or automatically shaded, but we're going to change it. So now we have the 4 seasons. We all hopefully know that they are spring, summer, fall, and winter. If you want to call it autumn, that's fine. I don't mind either way. So we're going to take this first one. You can see that I'm in the first one because you can see my cursor. And we're going to be in Table Design, and we're going to go to Cell Shading, and we're going to pick a color that is kind of like spring. So I'm going to go with some kind of light purple. And then over here, we're going to be in this one. We're going to do the same thing. So this one is summer, so I'm going to go with yellow. And then this one down here, we're going to go with fall, which would be some kind of orangey color, I would think. And then this one is winter. So I'm going to do, you can do white if you want to, but I'm going to do a light blue. Because, ice can kind of look somewhat like a light blue. Alright, so then we're going to go in here and I'm going to type the words in. So this one we said was spring. This one was summer. This one was fall or autumn. And this one is winter. Alright, I'm going to make it look pretty, so I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to go back to home, and I'm going to center it, and maybe make it a little bigger. And there we go. Just to, if we're going to do it, we're going to do it right. And it also practices your skills. So we're going to go here and we'll center it. Put your cursor in front of it and hit enter. And you can change the font and the color if that's what you want to do. That's fine. And then winter, we will go to size, and we'll center it. Alright, so now what we're going to do is I want you to go out to the internet, and in the internet I just want you to put spring information or something like that. So this is a simple Wikipedia page. For this, that is fine. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click on it. I'm going to go up here to the address bar and I'm going to click so it's all blue, and I'm going to hit Control C, which will copy it. I'm going to go down here and I'm going to go to Insert a Link. So the display text is spring, and the address that I want it to go to, I'm going to copy and paste and say insert, and now it becomes a link. You can tell it's a link because of the line underneath it. So we'll do the same thing for summer and fall and winter. And then to make sure that it is working, if you put your cursor here and you hold the control key down, you see how my mouse is turning from an eye to a finger? When it's a finger, it will turn into, and it's going to open up your link. So make sure that all 4 of your links are working and that you have changed the background of your box. And then you can save it as Q3A14 so that we can finish out Q3. And then for the people who are doing downloaded, the one cool thing that you guys can do that you cannot do online is that if I go here and I insert a table, I can not only change the color of my table, but if I go here to excuse me, if I go here to shading, I can make it a gradient. I can make it a texture. So I can make it look like, I don't know what that is, fish. So you have a little bit more of a creativity that you can work on. You can also, if you want to change the background of all of your table, you can also insert a picture if you want to. But that's not part of the assignment. I'm just giving you a heads up of something that it can do. So when you are done, you should have a box that has 4 different colors in it that represent the seasons, and then each one of them should have a link to information on the internet about that season. If you have any problems or questions, please let me know, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And remember, it's a 4-day week. It is due by Thursday night.